Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This dish is very fast and easy to cook because it uses frozen vegetables, and all you need is have some eggs. Now, I use quite a few eggs because I'm going to use this dish as a main dish. And then all you need is some rice. These are leftover rice, and it has to be in the refrigerator for a couple of days in order for it to do well. So the end result is you have a vegetarian fried rice, and which is sufficient for make a nice meal. Now this dish is very easy to cook, and the important thing is that you want to make sure your wok is well seasoned, because when you fry the egg, you definitely do not want the egg to stick to the wok. Now, I use quite a few eggs because I use 6 eggs. Before I put the eggs in the wok, I beat up the eggs and I season it with salt and pepper. Of course, you can season it with anything that you would like. Sometimes I will season it with a little bit of paprika and cardamom. But for this one, I just want to make it simple and easy. Now, as you notice that this is an indication of that the wok is well seasoned, you can see how well the egg flow through the surface of the wok. Now, this tells you if you treat your wok properly, it's as good as any wok with non-stick surface. Of course, the benefit is that you don't have to worry about anything come up from the wok, which could be potentially hazardous. I use this very neat tool called a hamburger meat chopper. It is beautiful for picking up the fried rice. You notice that these fried rice are pretty cut because they have been in the refrigerator for a while. The nice thing about being in the refrigerator is that they keep them dry. Now the frozen vegetable, you don't need to thaw it out. That's the beauty of it. You just throw it in the wok because the rice, while you're cooking, it will thaw out the frozen vegetable. So everything so far so good. It's very easy. You scramble the egg and you just spread it out. And then this part is the size of the wok is important. You know that the wok is getting pretty full. This is a 14-inch wok. If you have a 12-inch wok, you are out of luck. Another thing is that a good wok spatula helps a lot. This is a stainless steel wok spatula that is designed specifically for stirring in the wok. Now, this is the part that you want to make sure you do not have the stove too hot, and make sure you constantly stir the rice because this is the time when the rice could burn to the bottom of the wok. You do not want that to happen because it will give you that burn flavor. Next, I'm going to season the fried rice with some regular soy sauce. Okay, so now I'm almost done. As you see, it's very fast. It looks pretty good. The final step is that I do some taste tests, and all I need now is to just make sure keep everything stirred and have everything warm up properly. Okay, now we are almost down to the finish line, and the last thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to season it with a little bit of oyster sauce. Again, you can season it whatever way you like it. It's really flexible, and this is the good part of flavor chasing. I am doing flavor chasing because I season it exactly the way how I like it, or how I think my diners going to like it. Now, when you cook, you always have to worry about what the people who are going to eat. Particularly when you cook for children, you want to make sure you cook it in such a way. And the total cook time of this dish is a little bit over 7 minutes. Cannot be any faster. You walk in the kitchen, all you have to do is whip up some egg, get your rice out of the refrigerator, get a package of frozen vegetables, and off you go. And now you have a bowl of fried rice that you cook entirely from scratch. This is fried rice children will like. Fried rice is always considered to be the best way to hide vegetables. Because of the rice is fried, plus the soy sauce and the oyster sauce is flavorful, and children don't mind that at all, even with the vegetable in it, because the vegetable add to the flavor of the fried rice. Now, occasionally, if I want to please my young diners, I throw in some hot dog. I chop them up and throw maybe just 1 or 2 hot dog in it, and just keep them happy. Tell them, hey, this is hot dog fried rice. They will be hopping up and down with delight. I think this is a way to do it because ultimately or you want to do when you cook, particularly for your family, the last thing you want to avoid is that they turn their nose to what you cook. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.